Hey there, thank you for tuning into my video. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I'll be leading you through the process on how I made this hand-knitted chunky bag. It's actually my first time trying this design, so let's get to it. The main thing needed in this video is this gigantic yarn. I got myself some extra handles, so if you need, you can get one for yourself as well. So the first thing I did was first tie the knot. This is the beginning of the process. You have to make it tight so it won't lose at the process of you making the bag, so all your work will not be in vain. It should be very tight. After that, I now started making the chain. As you can see, you pull through from the under. And one thing about this base is that you don't want to make it to be too tight or too loose. If it's too tight, then it might not come out the way you want it to come out. But if it's too loose, you might start seeing through. Maybe if you put something, it is going to fall off. So in other words, the only thing you need to do is make sure that it's not too loose and it's not too tight. After the 6th time, then the 7th time is when I started making this second layer. As you can see, I'm sorry, but this part was a little bit challenging, so you might find it a little bit difficult for you, but I believe you're going to pull through. So once I was done with this side, I continued with the other side. As you can see, so it's a continuous process until you reach the size you want. I just hope this video is going to give you guys insight. Anybody that is thinking of something you'll be doing at the comfort of your home and at the same time making money, because it feels so happy whenever after I'm making these bags and someone will now come across it and be like, oh, I love the bag, can I buy it from you? At first I was not doing it because I wanted to sell it. I was just doing it as a way, it's a hobby, as a way of passing my time. So I just hope this is going to give insights to some of the people out there that like to do crafty things. There is joy in doing this, and at the same time you see people carrying the bag you made. It's really, really fun. So I'll leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I will really appreciate it. And please subscribe as well. Then enjoy the video. Bye bye.